Hi everyone, I'm Jen Michaels, a graduate student in the English department here at The Ohio State University, and I've borrowed Professor Kay Helisek's office today to tell you a little bit about the submission process for the Digital Archive of Literacy Narratives. The first step is to navigate any web browser to DALN.osu.edu. That's the homepage of the DALN. And once you're there, if you've never been there before, you'll want to click on the register link. When you click register, you'll be prompted to enter an email address, and you do want to enter an email address that you actually check, because the next step after you've clicked submit and selected your email address is you're going to go and check your email, and the DALN will send you a password so that you can then return to daln.osu.edu, click the link that says login, and you can use this new information to get into your account. Once you're logged in, it's going to automatically take you back to the home page for the DALN, and this time you want to click a third link, Submit a Narrative. So after you click Submit a Narrative, you'll see an option that says click here to begin the submission process, and you want to click there. On the next screen, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to select from that menu the only option, which is a comprehensive collection, and then select Next again. The next screen is going to ask you to confirm whether you're over the age of 18 or under the age of 18, and it will also ask you to grant permission to have your narrative enter the public online collection of the Digital Archive of Literacy Narratives. So once you've checked the appropriate boxes, go ahead and click Next. And then you'll see two screens after this where a lot of the blanks are marked optional. And these screens are your opportunity to add metadata or data associated with your narrative that makes it easier to find and search in the archive. You can enter as much or as little of this data as you want. Once you get through those two screens, you'll be prompted to upload a file to the DALN, and you want to click on the Choose File button and then find the file wherever it is on your computer or maybe your flash drive. Once you see the title of that file on the DALN screen, you'll actually see it next to the Choose File box. That means you're ready to go ahead and upload it to the DALN. So you want to scroll to the bottom of that page and click Next. If you're submitting a text narrative and you're on a fairly fast connection, this shouldn't take very long at all. But do be warned that if you're submitting an audio or a video narrative, this could take a little bit of time. And don't be alarmed, that's just the data going up into the DALN, and chances are there's nothing wrong. When you get to the licensing option screen, you are almost there. We encourage you to select Deed of Gift on this screen and then click Next, and then the next page will tell you about the Deed of Gift license to which you're agreeing. When you're done reviewing that license, you want to scroll to the bottom and click the button that says Complete Submission, and when you've done so, you are all done.